Ever notice a pool of juice on your cutting board and wonder why your meat turned out dry? This one simple mistake could be ruining your dinner every time. When you slice into meat straight from the oven or grill, you're literally watching all those delicious juices escape right onto the board. All those flavorful juices you worked hard to lock in are lost in seconds, leaving you with tough, bland slices instead of mouth-watering perfection. Here's the secret. Your meat needs a moment to relax. Resting lets the juices redistribute evenly, making every bite tender and juicy. Try covering your meat loosely with foil and waiting at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the size. That short wait makes an incredible difference. Resisting the urge to cut right away can feel impossible, but patience is truly rewarded with every flavorful bite you'll enjoy. Next time, watch what happens. Less juice on the board, more in your meat. The transformation is noticeable, and your guests will thank you. So remember, for juicy, flavorful meat every time, give it a few minutes to rest. Your taste buds and your cutting board will thank you. Cut it too soon. You lose the juice. Like and follow Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets.